Hello internet, if you are new to my channel, I'm Gurpriya Singh and in today's video I'm gonna show you a watercolor tutorial of how to draw flowers. Very easy and very in just simple steps you can draw these flowers which I have drawn on one of my greeting cards. So here I am drawing rose with a mixture of my Winsor & Newton red color and white color to get somewhat like pink. I'll link down all the supplies which I have used in this video in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. I'll also link down the number of brushes, the brush number which I'm gonna use, and right now I'm using the 2 number brush. So I have taken a little amount of color in my brush and like twice the time of color I've taken water because I'm doing a watercoloring. So I'm just drawing some simple straight curved lines to make the petals of the rose. You can see that how I am moving my brush and how I am just giving that curvedness to the petals. I'll do a close-up video of this in just 2 seconds, I guess. And I'm not taking my color again and again. I'm letting my color to fade out so that it gives a some gradient effect and a natural look. This is not looking natural, I know, but to give that effect. Okay. You can see how my pink color is getting light and light and light as I'm moving on with my petals. Yes, here is the close-up look, and here you can see how I'm just moving my brush and how my brush stroke is moving. Make sure that you take that much amount of water in your brush that you can hold, because the greater the amount of water is, the greater it will be difficult to keep control on the water and on the brush. So take care that you have a little amount of water, actually twice or thrice the amount of paint you have taken should be the amount of your water, not more than that. And you can see how my first rose has turned out with a darker shade of pink in the middle and which is getting lighter and lighter as I have moved on. I've taken a different shade of pink over in the second rose, and I'm just trying not to take my color again and again and to just keep that color once and let the light shades of it come. And you can also join the petals so that that the petals are joined, and I am not able to explain it. Instead you just watch and see how I'm drawing it and how my brush is moving. You can just see I am giving a little bludge at the center of the petals so that it looks like that the petals are little curved and outwards curved, and a little thinner at the corners. And I'm drawing the leaf over here with green color, and just look at the gradient effect which I have given. I am first applying water on the portion on which I have to apply color. so that it also helps giving a little gradient effect. And here are the fast time-lapse stats. So in this leaf I have used a lot of amount of water, and it was very difficult for me to control the water, you can see. And now with the same effects, same gradient effect, I am drawing my other leaves and my other flowers, letting them fade out. And here is another rose. You can draw as many flowers as you want. And now I'm drawing this rose on the opposite side of my first one. I'm drawing the same kind of thing over here also. Big roses with some other little flowers and leaves and a mixture of flowers, leaves and some, kind of those reds kind of thing. For these flowers, I'm just simply moving my brush in the upward direction, in the direction in which I want my petals to be. And just again drawing those leaves with that gradient effect. I tried to sketch out my painting, but I didn't like it. I outlined some of one rose and some of the leaves, but I really don't like it how it has turned out. It was just an experiment, kind of an experiment. And I wrote this little thank you. You can write anything you want. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment on my video. And I think that's it. And don't forget to share my video. I hope you like this video, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.